Okay, if you struggle with what to eat to help you reach your health and nutrition goals, Healthy Passion is going to make it a game changer. So here's how to simply plan your week and shop in just a matter of minutes. So what you'll do is when you log in, you'll go to your planner and you'll see the day of the week that you're planning for. So I'm planning for today. And then I have no idea what I want to eat, so I'm just going to click this autofill button. That's going to allow me to just get some ideas. And it fills in my day, as you can see. I've got my breakfast, got lunch, got dinner, and then of course some snacks. So once I decide that this is what I want to eat, then to shop, all I'm going to do is click this little shopping icon and add each item to my shopping list. And for the recipes, it'll add all the ingredients that you need for the recipe. And then of course individual items, it'll just add them. Go back to the planner. And I'll just go through and add each item one by one. And then from there, it's super simple to head to the store, grab your ingredients, follow your recipes, and reach your goals. All right, last one. There we go. And say, for example, I already have lemons. Maybe I have walnuts in my fridge and vanilla extract in my pantry. So I can just go ahead and cross those off before I even go to the store to make it super simple. And then as I shop, I just walk through the aisles, cross off each item, and when it's time to cook, I head back to my planner, go to the recipe, pull it up, and then follow the step-by-step instructions. So simple. If you guys are not using Healthy Passion, what are you waiting for? It saves you so much time, so much money. It makes sure that you are on track so you can hit your health and fitness goals, whether it's just eating healthier or losing weight or getting your kids to try new things. Healthy Passion makes it so simple. The recipes are quick, they're delicious, and it's a game changer, guys.